As I had indicated a couple of weeks back, we could see a downward spiral in most global markets, and that's what is happening right now. Now, is this a change of trend or just a temporary change of direction? Whatever it is, one has to understand that any movement in financial indices needs to be sustaining in nature. The rally of the past couple of months was beginning to peter out because the fundamentals were clearly lacking, and no investment can be made purely on liquidity. In fact, it would be highly misleading for investors to go on something which is not sustaining in nature. As I clearly pointed out, the Fed was beginning to show signs of tapering off its bond purchase program, and in such an environment, investors needed to be well guarded because there is every likelihood of bond yields going up and a movement taking place away from equities because of the removal of liquidity. In such a scenario, I had cautioned investors to stay on the guidelines. I believe that a tremendous wave of selling is about to emerge, which should last for about a month. We could see some upside only in the last week of December 2013, which should continue for about a month again. Thereafter, we see more downside. So, over the next 6 months, I see more downside in the global stock markets. Net net, we would be better off staying on the sidelines. I'm quite surprised by analysts who, just on the basis of what has happened over the last few months, make predictions on what's likely to unfold in the future. Just with their placards on the back and representing the firms they profess to represent, we cannot get carried away by the misleading guidelines. Anything which is not sustaining in nature does not have or hold much importance in the financial world. Just because there was a rally over the last few months does not mean that there would be a continued rally in December. Just because gold did well for so many years does not mean it will continue to. In fact, in dollar terms, gold is down 30% this year. Only for those people who are invested in gold and who could enjoy the benefit of currency depreciation, such as in India, they have stood to benefit. Others are net worse off this year, and I think that a trend is likely to continue in the future as well. I believe that the near term outlook for stocks is extremely negative and would clearly advise investors to stay away and to look for something or for a trend which is likely to be sustaining in nature. This will emerge only after some time. We could have a happier end to this year, but over the next 1 month, we will see a sustained selling across most global indices, including the Dow Jones, the Mumbai Sensex, the London FTSE, and the German DAX. Take care. Bye bye.